Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click Video, Landscape Video, go to Elements, scroll down to Shapes, choose the square and change the color to black color and resize it like this. And go to Text and type your text. Let's change the color to white color. And let's change the font to Anton. Increase the size. Place it like this. And download this page as PNG. Increase a little bit the size. Download. Select all and delete. And let's drop our video. Let's use, for example, this one. Adjust the size. And let's upload the image that we just make. Drop it to the design. Remove the background. And increase the size. And place it on the right side. And increase the duration. Go to animate. Create an animation. Hold shift on the keyboard and drag from the right to the left. And go to movement styles. Choose steady and decrease the speed. Go to transparency and decrease a little bit. Make it 70. And go to text. Type new text. And change the font to Anton. And change the color to white color. Let's place it in the middle. And go to animate. Choose spread. And increase the duration. And here's the final results.